Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the Photos app and selecting the image you want to change. Once the photo is open, tap the small info button or the three-dot menu. This reveals metadata. Make sure you're on iOS 15 or later because that version adds the built-in adjust controls. You don't need extra apps yet. Now tap Adjust Date and Time when it appears. That's the first actionable control. It takes you directly into the editing interface to change the timestamp. Once you're in the Adjust Date and Time screen, use the date picker to set the exact day and the time fields to the hour and minute you want. If the photo's time was wrong due to time zone differences, tap the time zone field and select the correct city. That shifts the timestamp appropriately. Make sure you double-check AM versus PM. When the new values read correctly, tap Save to write the updated metadata back to the photo. Photos keeps the original unless you change it again. To finish, confirm the updated date on the photo detail screen and return to your library. The change is now permanent in Photos metadata. If you need to change many images, select them, tap the three-dot menu, and choose Adjust Date and Time to apply a bulk shift. If you don't see these options, make sure your iPhone is updated or use the Photos app on a Mac. If all else fails, use a trusted metadata editor app to edit EXIF directly. Be careful to keep backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.